AlumoMusic, yeah.
I will be around and get to know each other.
Live outside.
Yes, I really want to learn your approach.
What I found really interesting about the workshop is probably the cooperation with the public sphere.
I found the workshop interesting because we will be working in a group together and with other people.
You will be collaborating with ProstoRož. They have really a long track record of different kinds of initiatives and bottom-up planning.
So this is the site now. As you can see, there are two big halls, a lot of trees and a big loud main road. It's the Untitled.
And to me at first the site itself is empty, it's nothing because it's completely shut off. You walk around on the streets and it's you just have the fence and as a visitor you don't know what's inside there.
I couldn't enter to this place because it was closed.
This temporal use, in this case it works for 20 years. Man, what kind of temporality is this? You're scared to be in there. So it's not a kind of a welcoming place even for being alone. So this is what a city like this or any city cannot really afford, I would say. I mean, it's a lost place.
Public space has really strong meaning from social point of view, from cultural point of view, political, economical, and it really affects the society.
Their ideas were reflected in this, so you made this fence sort of theirs as well, and this is then placemaking, I think. This is like an obvious thing of a placemaking.